get that beat there for. Me say it. You know that video a while ago.
I'm going to start from this. So, biological design. Any man will get beaten in front of a woman, the woman will rate them again. Which part you study upon that? Which part your data upon that? Where your data upon that? You see, you can feed that to the little idiot them way. Gas you know, for make you go on like so on bright. Where your data there? Seeing? Where your data there? For proof say, any woman will watch her man get beaten. Now have no respect for him again. Where your data there for that? Where your biological data there for that? Where your source there for that? Next time you go use anything I say biological or anything like that, pin your source. Where your source there for that? Alright, far down a little more. You say you're Nostradamus because you did predict that she go give him beer problem. You did predict that she go fuck on him. You did predict that she go hurt him. Alright. Nostradamus. Me ask you a question, Nostradamus. Where your video did there? Or where your video there? Excuse me. Where your video there? When Brii was with child, and according to we're out there, Silk Boss go meet one girl, ram naked wood pan her and breed her too. Why you fucking video there for that? Nostradamus, you never did predict nothing for one Brii. You never did have nothing, you never get nothing Nostradamus for one the woman. Say the man where she take up and dress and nurse back when he get the beating them. And stood beside him and go do interview. And say yes, she profess her love to him and actually get pregnant for him. You never get nothing Nostro. Fi say where the man a go do to she. Where your video there? With where him do to her. Where your video there when he get the girl pregnant according to what out there? But he never have nothing to do with she. You see? Where your video there for that? Where the woman was pregnant with him, the next woman when he say him just basically like him I say is a one fuck. So you never make no video, you never find it, you never find nothing wrong with a man of a girl pregnant and just go get a one fuck and just breed, just ram so one fuck so no boots, just meat and just one fuck so boom breed so. So you never so no video nothing do. For a man we have a woman with child. So now you think about two, you understand life yes or no. So you think about the mother, you think about the child now. You never have no problem with that to make a video. For burn out Silk Boss. Zin, when he gonna go ram naked wood in a woman a road and could have bring back anything can give Brii and could have give her any form of STD we blind the pitney. We make the pitney come out with any form of Down syndrome. You never did want to make a video for that. You see how long me I tell the people them say we don't have some selective outrage or no misogynistic. You see how long me I tell the people them you run come now about your Nostradamus and a playback video where you did predict say them are gonna mash up. Or you never did get nothing from whatever you get it from, God or whosoever you get it from. Or you never did get nothing for one Silk Boss say if you have a woman pregnant, you can't just go a road, go just meet a girl and just ram naked wood pan her so. Because you think about now fear life and the life what she carry. Where your video did for that? And nobody had a problem with it when you come out and dog the woman them when the woman them do nothing. Where your video about CMR? Oh, you know about the fire upon CMR? CMR is a youth where I have nothing against him. you know, people err. You know, we don't know the system where we live now. We don't know by nature man one bag of woman and all of them something there. And really. But since you not go pick side, see? Since you go be Nostradamus and bonfire and call who parasites and all who are termites and all of them thing there. So where the termite man them there? See? Why your video then now? For a man like a CMR. Oh, you know, do no video about CMR because I'm an artist. Kirby, I did artist. Kirby artist. You see my artist, me see my DJ. You know no video for him. You know make no video about him and highlight say, yo, we as brothers, you know, we can't really, you know, even though we have the urge and them thing and the desire, sometimes we have to control the desire because we can't just go meet some little loose woman on the road and just boom and just ram hood na them so. Because you know, say mama they are there, you know, want carry no disease go give mama because you boom, mama catch HIV, you have HIV, the children them there them leave alone without a parent if we not succumb to the disease. I will have to go live for medication for the rest of my life. I want to live on the kidney start fail. See? So if people think that people can live with HIV now, there are side effects from the medications them. See? Yeah, you just imagine you see a woman and you know she's living with HIV and you know say you did just go bat loose. You see? You did just go a road, go just bat loose so and bring all the HIV come here. We don't have no problem with them something there. And you can just do them things and put on the internet and you look groupie them or you look minions them or you look subscriber them. Make you feel like say we no see say we no misogynistic. Like we no see say yo we no love woman, we no love woman, you know. We no go talk a good talk, you know, that's why we no talk about fish and them something too much, you know, and shaking it so much, you know. Because we no really love woman, you know. It's just a facade and I put on, you know. It's just no things that nobody has seen through the you know peripheral, you know, vision. You know those things that we no say them things and nobody now watching and watch how now move, you know. We no really love woman, you know. We no just come talk a good talk because we no have something where we not, it's like we not hide behind something. You see? We not put up this little facade or hide behind something because me never hear we yet make a video and a burn out a man we violate a woman, you know. Me not see no video, me not see it. Maybe somebody can prove me wrong. Me not see no video, me not see it. You go come now with the Nostradamus prediction. But you never did make a video when the woman pregnant. The woman with child. And the brother go meet a girl. Based on where even Missy Fame tweet them and sitting. And to him all deal with all the next woman we pregnant to you that said, John, no brother, no, she carry your child too, you know. We don't see nothing wrong with them thing there. But when a woman quote unquote violate a man or fuck pan a man or you know, we don't see it. Oh, me de tell no say she no want you know. Me de tell no say yo she go fuck pan him, you know. Just a long time, one time hear the man no, the silk boss a treat Brii like she's an African queen. Like she a diamond. So when you see this now forward now, when you see the woman must say move on with her life or the woman must find her next man now. You run out now, I show your prediction. You run out now, I show your prophecy. Because you are going to likes, we not do it for you. We not do it for likes and views and dinner money. You see? We don't know if you get that little audience there you know, for donate. We don't know if you get that little audience there we don't know what to do for trigger the comment them. You see? Blame everything about Silk Boss, him career. Nothing about him career now going good. Him this, that one bag of thing. No, we can't just blame it on the woman because the woman are the problem from day one. You see? Yeah man, she make him now run the place, man. Yeah man, she make him, you know, they wish for him there and the man of the biggest thing. Yeah man, him one of the wickedest talented youth, you know. Him one of the most talented youth, you know, but him now gone away. because of the woman the star because him mix business with pleasure. Now gonna away because he mix business with pleasure. And you can't mix business. The man say, hear the man that do a vlog. The man that do a vlog. Hear the man. Him with one, the man say, don't mix business with pleasure. Motherfucker, this is a relationship the people them have. You have to have business and pleasure like it's a one night stand the man go get. Or you think you still have a Bob Marley estate? No, because Bob Marley did mix business with pleasure with Rita. And put all a ring on her finger. When you think Barack Obama is still successful to this day and become all president for all America? No, because you know some Michelle Obama, because here we go on now. More time you need a strong woman beside you, you know. No for you know. Have no money, have no business are running now, there with all some woman, you know. And when the woman clueless to everything on her do until the family member, them and the friend them fucking over, you know. And when the family member, them and the friend them mashing up and rob up on the money and done off on the money. And that time when they come a ball no one and the woman no one try pick up the scraps is the man that try putting them back together. When things are going for no big, no for no artists in other industry where me no have not even a house. Big established artists in other industry people don't even have a house. If one did put some things in our baby mother name. Or no woman or no David name and make she control some things at least under no say even the pitney them would have alright. Yeah, come talk about oh man nothing mix business with pleasure, the woman for over this and the business for over yes so. Where data depend that? Where data depend that? It's like a man that say, yo, every girl out there looks sitting for teeth. Or every girl out there will not take up no sense. Every girl will not take up, she not no business mind. She no business minded. Like the woman, them are just like them just good for fuck. Them just good for just have a relationship with. Them not good for involve in a business where we are built or put together. Them have no input. We said, so we do everything around them. You see? Outside of them. See? Everything. We not involved in that things. We not sit down and make them come to the table and see what them can offer. We not make them come sit down at the table. We have a seat. We have seat. We put family members at the table. And put her in our kitchen. Family members come and we not plan all meet now. Sit and she has serve tea. She has serve food. She in the kitchen and cook and come out and put on food. She have to drop ears and listen to them a plan fit and when she says something to you and tell her say you shut her down quick. And when everything go wrong now, when the run come now. Look at Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt are the people them run him, you know, taking money and put in a sitting base and where we are here, you know. Usain Bolt with the what's it, one by how much million US. Maybe if me have a woman where him and her talk it true and maybe money that go somewhere else and maybe we not put so much in another one something there. You see? Me put business in a family and already. And I wish I did one of my baby mother them and me put in her. Because at least if them do what my family do. At least me know say pit them that right. You see? So this idea about, oh, you can't mix business with pleasure and God, right? One thing the man do wrong. The man put Brii in a business. So she good for breed, but she can't involve in the business. Oh, you can't make your woman manage you. What? Where you get them idea from like The woman them are just some object where we just pick up and put on when we're ready. You see? Maybe if Silk Bath did put in more work, you see, things did work out better. Maybe there'll be more, you know, consistent. Maybe we'll have more songs out there. You see? The man have to play theme part too. Managing an artist, no matter who, if the artist now not disciplined, it just not go work. Managing an artist, if he not decide say him go get up and go feet to it, not go work. Enough artists boy was successful. And then woman run things. You see Sanchez? Sanchez's wife a run him career for years. And you can't ramp with Sanchez money. Ask any booking agent boy when you call for Sanchez who you talk to. Wifey. You see? Sanchez not go around that. I think she name Miss Jackie. I think Papa San same thing to Papa San. I think a him wife angle business too. Wanna get this thing from? You see? So Nostradamus, give one video for the man them we are do the woman them wrong too. Because at this point it's clear that you don't like woman. I am misogynistic bad. Bad. You just feel good for just know say you come and you got dog Brii now. You just feel good now you Nostradamus make a prediction say Brii did that. Me tell her say she never rate you know. Cause she see you get box up, she lose 10% of ratings for you. Every box you get a 10% of ratings she lose. So she lose 10% of ratings with every box. But she go lay down and open up her foot and make him breathe her. And go sit beside him in an interview. Stood by him. All of them time there. But she lose 10% of ratings because I get box. Eh? So you know things say maybe she lose ratings for him because she pregnant and not carry a child and a man go breed the next girl. Same time. After she carry a baby for him, a life for him. You not see nothing wrong. You know things that can be a possibility why she lose rate. You know things that worse than the box up when you get. She fi just. Yeah. Just hold her little corner and just go and deal with it. Just accept it and yeah. Cause Nostradamus I go read him prediction and she go feel shame. Me nothing say your views them govern our feelings. You understand me I say? And you are wait for Silk Boss come talk, for him talk, for say what she really do to him. So you know why you breathe, you know why you're nothing from Brii? I mean, I say a woman where a man, you know, give some bun, just run, go back, go fuck on the man too, you know, because, you know, me not think of the right way that me think if you move on with your life, you move on with your life and just, you see me I say everybody just come to a mutual understanding and you say, it nah work out and you move on with your life. Nothing wrong with that. But it's strange to me say you wait for your Silk Boss side. And before you even hear Brii side, you come and put out your Nostradamus prediction. You could wait until you hear Brii side and then Silk Boss side. You run out for early out. Because now you want the world now say, yeah man, that's true man, me know say the girl now want me now. Money she did that look, you know. Yeah man, I saw them girl, them dirty girl stay man, and some dirty dog shit them man, you know, money the girl did that look. Yeah man, and that's why Silk Boss not reach nowhere, you know, because you don't know. The girl are crosses. I want like a crosses girl, yeah man. Look how you go bust the place and run the place now. You see? Hey Megs, I will block you from my page, you know. See you come in and talk foolishness. I will block you, you know. Stay the chat foolishness. See you see you? Yeah. You know why you're Brii side? Eh? Uncle Silk Ball side you want here. Eh? Listen me people. Listen me now. You no top support them money upon the internet and them fuckery. You understand? You not living in the Stone Age anymore. If your man do something to you and you feel like you can't deal with ladies, no matter the game where the one makes I tell you if you play about bun and cut, because sometimes when we get in a problem, a man we want to hurt you. Zane? Just tell the man say now work out and want to move on with your life and find somebody else. When you may lucky on the other side with greener grass there. You see? It may be difficult, but when you may find a one man out there when I go look on the next woman. Or when you may find a man we have enough respect for you saying he hide it good. You see, we have to dig hard to find say him have another woman. You see? So, no, I know it's 2 years these ladies. When you can't work and when you can't get no mortgage and when you can't go nowhere without the consent of your husband. And if you know that these are not the days, and them days are sisters. Them days are done, sisters. You see? Them days are done with. You see? And back in the days when you couldn't go work. And back in the days when you're solely dependent on a man's salary. Them days are done. So when nobody sit down in an abuse, when nobody sit down in a nothing where you hurt and physically, emotionally, psychologically, mentally, all of them sitting there. You see? When you sit down night and live unhappy. Like when you can't go get a job and work. Like when you can't find ways and take care of yourself. You understand? And just bear in mind when you might jump out of the frying pan and jump into the fire. You know, you might have a man, we have a net, you have more woman than they sitting there, but in treat with love and respect. But if you can't deal it, just go and allow him, man. And make him live his life and you go live your life. You understand? And me support that 100% with any woman. You see? I mean, I go come talk about say, oh, you're termite. You see? You're termite because you move on with your life. No. You see? Trust me. Because you have some termite man out there too. We have some biting insect. You see? Them biting insects. You see? So, big up on yourself. Enjoy the rest of the day. I miss a TuLox. We are waiting to see you do one video. I burn out the man them when the man them do fuckery. Because we not perfect. We are waiting for a video when the man them do fuckery to the woman them. You see? You have to go make one name for the man them. You see you have a termite name for the woman them? Yeah. We are waiting for one video, one name for the man them. We do similar things are you know, bad things to woman too. You see? This morning, Zane, I work out a while ago and I come across a video in my thread. Zane, bless up yourself, buckers. Yeah. So in a 30 seconds, we want to analyze the video from TuLox. Yeah? $30 seconds. $30 seconds from thing there. And then we send off a train. So come in and hold a little seat and make way. Easy Nicky, what go on Nicky? Then we send the bus a road. Wanna move, wanna move, wanna move. Wanna move, wanna move. Wanna move, wanna move. Wanna move. Mummy, I come. Forward, mummy, forward, forward. Wanna move. My youth. Wanna move, wanna move. Wanna move. Down a town, wanna move. Wanna move. Ready driver, wanna move. Ready driver, wanna move driver. Ready driver. Wanna move. My youth, come if you come no man, forward. Wanna move. Mummy, come in, mummy, wanna move. Ready driver, ready. Road, ready. I want to know about conducting bus. All them things that we do in our life, you know. Some boy think say it was a easy road. Spanish town to down a town. Pass boy a road a sell figuree when we a conduct bus. Boy come a bus window a sell figuree. Boy a come now a go and think can style, man. Man used to lick bus side. Wanna move? Hold on, driver. Don't move yet. Don't left her, driver. Don't left her. Run come, mama. Wanna move? Ever pack a bus yet? Alright, so check this out. You know, say me always a bonfire upon the brother here. See? Me always a bonfire upon the brother here. Because here me not like no. Me not like people with them pseudo scholarship will love speak with authority or speak with such condescending attitude, like, you know, them little pseudo scholarship where them a bring forward, or them little pseudo reasoning where them a bring forward, like we out here, like me and Imhotep and, you know, Pepper see them and Tico them like we no out here and know say yo, we not present a fuckery. Like we're out pan the field, you know, cause we share the same network, we call it then, or the same social space. We not go on like so, we not come with them bullshit, you know, like we no see it. Like I just like we not act as if I pay idiot upon social media. And because sometimes we just low no make no talk, cause we not really want, we not feel too pompous like yo, we there a promote, you know. Cause we not take it like when we are talking about, you know, promotion and getting and we obsessed with, you know. Or like, you know, we have to call on the name to get likes. No. We just a remind on us say we don't chat the fuck with them. We're out here. That's why we call on the name from time to time, you know. And not more than that. Because musically we're not important. You see what I say? And another feel that we're not there. We're not worse, more not important. You see what I say? Are not qualified. We're not qualified in the field we're not try venture into. Because we don't have no social degree. It's a social science degree. Fair speak and even them issues, yeah. So no argument always subjective. You see what I say? No. You know, some is a youth where me already put it out there, say. Africans, you know, we have a ancestral, you know, DNA. You know, and that ancestral DNA, you know, will behave a certain way. Well, we can't really function away in the Western world based on indoctrination and culture and, you know, social construct. We can't behave that way there. Case in point. You know, enough man don't want to have more than one woman, but you can't bring them things to the woman. Then, if you bring them things to the woman, then, you know, you're going to sleep in the doghouse. Or them are going to quote unquote fuck back on you. Zine? So, you know, while that may be true, say, yo, you know, we have the ancestral DNA there. No, so it's difficult to work in the Western world. But, you know, some of we rebel sometimes and we make a woman who say, yo, star, we want to talk the truth and we can't talk the truth. And the woman then get mad and them ray. Zine? But we know them push back. And we understand because you don't know out there you have disease and them things where the man them create and all of them things there. So through disease and them things there, enough woman think about them health too. And we can't tell a woman say don't think about your health because a woman cannot say, yo, that man there, I go sleep with a woman on the road and a woman they go there run and I sleep with a bag of man and all them things there too. So me understand the reasoning. You understand me? I say, even though me know say, yo, Zane, our feelings and them things then it can't really stop the process of life. Or the cycle of life. You see what I say? So, biologically, we are still produce certain chemicals and them thing there. And it's real complicated, especially through them take we out of we habitat and place we into a different, place on the earth to live. You see? Now, with that said, when we not agree with her, when we not subscribe to her, when we not appreciate, is when brothers do things, Zane, and you have some man jump up and dog the woman them. Zane, you have some brothers will do some things and you say, yo, fuck with that you do, Yeah, man, I fuck with that him do, man. But then you see some man run out and stand with the man and dog the woman them. Termites. That's one of the boy TuLox favorite word, to call the woman them. Termites. See, for example, when the girl name, what the woman name again, what's she name again? Where major hype woman name again? Kirby. A Kirby she name? Kirby. That's what she name? When Kirby situation, see? I never said nothing upon the matter. I don't even remember I said anything upon the matter because I realized it's a really, really touchy subject. I mean, no one said I said nothing upon the matter. Right? I don't want to say something now and I don't know the full details of what happened. You see? So I always try to stay neutral when it comes on to them things there. But one man such as one of the man them we always attack against the woman them. TuLox. Take it up now and run with it. And that theme caption was termites. Kirby, termite. Zin? Because of course, the man, he have to defend the man. Only to find out months after say, where Kirby did come forward and I tell the people them say the man beat her up and abuse her and all of them things there. We come find out say, the man go all jail, prison feet. Because him go court and him must plead guilty. He must plead guilty to the things. And what she same thing that what she come tell we say the man do to her. No? She go court and plead guilty and him go prison feet. See? You don't expect say a decent human being because you call a woman termite and him something they apologize. And I say, boy, you know what? I hear that thing the man do. No video, no make. But major hype. Zin? This misogynistic clown where they on the internet, no make no video about not major hype, Even though he go jail, he go prison. Remember say they call the woman termite, Zin? Or insinuate say the woman a termite based on your caption, and your argument, You know, make back a video now with major hype now and say, yo, them things that will come out in the court case, abuse and beat up and imprison or something like that. We not go read it, I don't know the full details. I don't remember all it. But anyway, the man go prison. You'd expect say a decent man with a dog a woman or disrespect a woman that go come forward and say, boy, you know somebody take up for you and I fuck you do? No. You know, you're nothing zing. And then still have up the video. I call the woman termite. Not even have the decency if you take down the video, Remember, say you prove now, say the woman was not a termite, a real thing. The woman did attack, say the man beat her up, all kind of sitting, Because based on, my understanding, the man plead guilty. See? And got prison. Feet. You don't think, say, a man did have a little decent. I don't know why people think so not decent people, boy. See? You don't think, say, you have a little decency if you take down the video. Where you call the woman termite or insinuate the woman a termite. No. So no video no do pa major hype. And the video I call the woman termite. Still up there. Because you can just stay from which part you there in a Jamaica and one little corner. And just diagnose her and just know everything about her and know so she a termite. So anything you see she has said by internet say she get abused. All of them things. Them things that no count. Them things that no relevant to no analysis. You just know so them a termite. See? Alright. That guy, I burn my fire upon that. Me see them vlogger friend them take it and run with it. Oh, me can't believe Vegas disrespect TuLox. One vlog did there when I call the woman termite. One vlog did there. One of them did do some vlog and say you can't call a woman named termite. Anyway. Fast forward now. See? I want to listen to this.
Hit controversy that it songs. And him so goddamn talented. You know why? Because he not focus on music and focus on girl. Who can remember me saying this? Yes, if you hear them detail, different thing. But you see when the whole world see it, you see when the whole matter of fact.